Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For my last day of 13 days of Halloween, I am doing a colorful skeleton. I saw this picture on Pinterest and thought it was really neat and a different spin on a normal skeleton. So thought I would give it a try. It of course did not turn out like I wanted, but I still liked it. So I'm just starting off with the eyeshadow. I already have on my foundation and everything, and I'm using a black eyeshadow, just placing it all over. It doesn't have to be neat at all because we are going to kind of smudge it out. So I'm starting with black, then I'm going to do purple, and then pink. I am going to use paint for the rest of my face, but I'm first taking a white eyeliner and just tracing everything out. I don't know why teeth are so hard for me. I have definitely struggled with that doing these Halloween looks, and I made these too big and it really wasn't any saving them. But like I said, I think it still turned out pretty cool. So now I'm just taking different color paints and filling everything in, and that's actually pretty much what I will be doing for the rest of the look. Just filling everything in and kind of mixing colors together, just making it a really fun, colorful skeleton. I also made the little marks on my neck a little too big too, but hey, it's okay. It's Halloween. It's supposed to be fun. I'll just say it's a colorful cartoon skeleton. This is my face when I realized that it is not going like I wanted it to. But hey, I made it this far, so I'm going to keep going and just keep filling in. I'm just taking some eyeshadow and shading along my jawline, my neck, and my shoulders a little bit. I also added some purple eyeshadow to my face to give it a little bit more dimension, and then I'm just going to fill in my neck and chest with the same paint that I used on my face. Just in case you're wondering, I am not naked. I have on a tube top, but I'm just being very messy with this. After I get all the color in, I'm going to go back in and trace around the edges with black paint, just like I did on my face. Once I finish my neck and chest, that will complete this look. I really hope that y'all liked it, and I really hope that y'all enjoyed my 13 days of Halloween. Comment down below and let me know which look was your favorite. But if you liked this look and you're sad 13 days of Halloween is over, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my other videos. I will get back to normal makeup tutorials next week. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.